you.
Anywhere with you.
Celebrating the Yuletide season.
Always lights up our lives.
Simple pleasures are made special too.